Today's video, today's video, ay gagawa ko ang memes na ginawa sa video ko. Let's start! Number 1 is, yung mga memes ka pala. Memes ko! Hello. My real name is Nika. My real name is Nika. I am W-Riz. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Di ba yung funny part ay nahulog ako? Wait, what? I am W-Riz. Look, I have W-Riz. I'm gonna go in a carnival show. Ha? Inilawan lahat? I'm gonna attend the ganda show. Judge is Sigma Ligma. Hey yo! What's your most raised up face? Raised up face? And my name is not Sigma Ligma. Is Family Tax Skibidi Toilet. What? Well, the address is just the Mewy. Next then the Sigma is Riz Up Phantom Tax. Hello, my name is Riz Up Phantom Tax. I'll spell. This is my most Riz Up face. Viewing to next contestant is Phantom Tax Skibidi Toilet. The ultimate Phantom Tax Skibidi Toilet. Skibidi Toilet. Skibidi Toilet. Hirap siyang lumakad. Ay, bakit ginagamit ko yung Tagalog? This is the most raised up face. Hey yo! Hey yo! Next contestant is Phantom Tax Sigma Ligma. Phantom Tax Sigma Ligma is gay. Dog. My most Sigma face is farting. It's not even a part of a face. Next ganda shower is Sigma Ligma. Ligma Ligma. Super Ultimate Ligma. Super Ultimate Ligma. Yes, that's my name. Why is it all Gen Z kids? Because you said only Gen Z kids' names. Ultimate means level is 42, but I can fart now. I cannot fart now. So, this is my second favorite one. I want to receive up. Yo! The winner of the contestant is Super Sigma Ligma. The Super Ultimate Sigma. He has two talents of most race faces. Oh, 14 is not race faces, but what he do is that's why Sigma Ligma is the winner. I Super Ultimate Sigma Ligma is the winner. That's the wrong. I mean the wrong name. See you in the next video, guys.